up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back, guys. Like, oh my god, it's the fucking last year of a tragic last day in photo. It's the freaking last year of a tragic day. Hey, it's the freaking last day of a tragic year. Fuck 2021, bitch. I give your child. Anyway, enough excitement. What's going on, guys? It's been a span, it's been a while, but we are back. So the reason for shooting this video, for shooting this vlog-ish, so I'm alone at home, alone, drinking Coke, drinking coffee. I was like, no one wants to hang with me. You know, no one wants to hang with me. No one wants to take me out, go out with, you know. So I was like, you know, can I have 300 friends, you know, I can spend my New Year's with? And I was like, take the camera and vlog, you know, spend New Year's with your 300 friends on YouTube. So here we are. You guys are gonna spend the New Year's with me, ne? So before everything, just to make it a bit interesting, I'm gonna prank 2 of my friends. Let's prank them. So to inside cricket togetherness. We go sunana. Loche ka 300 hire 0000 ra sunana. It's not a secret. Azishe. So I'm going to prank my friends Matla and Litzo, pretending that I'm in an accident. A nurse is texting them on my behalf, telling them I'm in an accident. Yes, before you come at me, accidents are not something to play with, are not something to joke with. Of course, I know I am aware of that. And guys, one more thing, let's stay safe. Even though this video is going to come out after the New Year's, but I hope you guys are staying safe wherever you are. You're driving safe, you're not drinking and driving, because hey, we cannot lose people. We cannot go into a new year on such a note, you know. So stay safe, you guys, and hopefully you're fully vaccinated. You know, go Omicron, never busy, but rolla, you know. Hey, you understand? So let's stay safe, let's stay protected, guys. 2022, okay. No one is staying behind. No, we are not about to bury or visit anyone at the hospital. So let's be safe, guys. Let's be safe. If you know you're drunk, now I'm gonna be a robber. So I'm going to text them, pretending that I'm a nurse. A nurse is looking after me in the hospital because I have been in an accident. So hopefully they fall for it, and then we can see the reaction. How Jesus, it's hot. We can see how they will react. However, so let's text them. Okay, having some technical difficulties, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I am going to say. I'm just gonna think of a random name. Good day. My name is Masego. What should I say? Masego ke laotswe. Yeah, ke laotswe. If you go by this name, then forgive me, I don't know you. It just came out of my mind. Masego ke laotswe. I am a nurse in Gaborone private hospital. Kaelo asked me to inform you that he has just been been involved in an accident. We are in an ambulance on the way to the hospital. He is alright, but he may have some. Oh, I need to go offline. Ciao. What? Excuse. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I went offline of the grid so that it's realistic. Because they'll be like, those bitch is online, but he had an accident. Sustained a few injuries. Yeah, I think that's good. So that's why that's a good name. My name is Masero Kelauze. I'm a nurse in Gaborone Private Hospital. I asked to inform you that he has just been involved in an accident. We're in an ambulance on the way to the hospital. He is alright, but he may have sustained a few injuries. Please keep him in your prayers. I hope they fall for it because I prank them a lot. So like I'm worried they might be like, nah, this is just a prank. So hopefully they'll call this number and I'll be like, no. So let's hope it works, because child, and I am there it is. I'm sure you cannot see, but I'm sending. Oh, fingers crossed. Oh, God forbid, like an accident, I'm maybe second thoughts, but I'm sending this. Sent. Now we wait for that reaction. I'm going off the grid. My phone is on flight mode. They'll call this number. It's a new number. Matla has it, but Litso doesn't. So fear Matla might not fall for it. But okay. Anyways, you guys are going to Khabakanya Dingwara with me. We're going to kiss. We're going to shoot fireworks together. So I'll see you later when they respond. Ne? Yep. While we're waiting for Litso and Matla, I have a problem. I went on a shade buying spree. Like I bought 6 shades in a month. So you guys are going to review them with me. Tell me which one suits me the best. Which one I should just sell or give away because it doesn't look best on me. So shade number 1. This one I didn't buy it. I stole it from my mom. So tell me how it looks. Guys. Do we keep it? Do we leave it? What do you think? Shade number 1, keep or leave? Comment down below. I think leave. I'm not feeling it, It's not, shade number 1. Question mark. I don't know. Shade number 2. Do we keep it? Do we leave it? Let's see. This one I'm keeping. What do you think? Keep or leave? Shade number 2. Shade number 3. This one is a bit feminine, so people say. Shade number 3. Let's see. Do we keep it? Do we leave it? I'm keeping it. Honestly, I want to keep it. It looks good, doesn't it? I'm keeping this one. What do you think? Keep or leave? Shade number 3. Shade number 4. Matla is calling. Matla is calling. Matla is calling. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Where the girl?
What?
Where the girl?
You say I'm what?
I guess we're here. Funny can sing it on my GPH.
Fuck, I'm happy.
Fuck, well,
Fuck, I'm covered up with you. What take?
how do I wonder? Sheba to Dropina. She hung up on me. Oh, guys, I am dead. She's not gonna let this go. I am dead. Anyways, where were we? This shade number 4. This shade number 4. But I need to stop these pranks, bruh. Yeah? Anyways, shade. This shade number 4. Let's see. This one cost a lot of money. Whether it suits me or not, I am keeping it. It's not bad. It's huge, like, but it's not bad. I'm keeping this one. Shade number 4. Keep or leave? I'm keeping it though. What do y'all think? Don't mind. Don't mind. Hey. Keeping it. And last but not least. Last but not least, this is the 5th one here. Shade number 5. My favorite one. It's even taken good care of. But these shades were from Drip Store BW. Check them out. This is number 5. Do we keep it or it has to go? Let's find out. X-ray. Oh! This one! This one! This one we're keeping. Oh! Imagine! I'm keeping this one. I mean, okay, I think it's time we tell Little it's a prank because child it's been a while and I am worried. So let's call her. Let's call her because I'm worried. She's taking too long. She never takes too long to respond to me, so I'm worried, child. Let's see. Or maybe she's not with her phone. This one never answers her phone. Can you answer your phone? It's not gonna answer. We can bet. This one, if I was told, call someone, if they don't answer, you die. I am going to die. So, she's not gonna answer. She's gonna take me on app when I go online though. Can you talk about how these look on me though? But like is unable to answer the call at the moment. Please tag again later.
Subscriber is unable to answer the call.
Anyways, yeah, let me go. I'm going to watch some movies, Netflix, and chill by myself, make some popcorn and some food and just relax until it's time for the countdown. So, how many? We have less than less than 3 hours. Nako ki 26 past. 26 past. Okay, let me see how many we have. Here's a countdown. I think we have 3 hours. Less than 3 hours. Yeah? Yeah, we have less than 3 hours. It's 19. Yeah, less than. No, more than 3 hours, not less than. More than 3 hours. Hey, can I get in school, guys? So I'll see you guys in like. Yeah, in a few. I have to go up. I have to call Matt and apologize because she's gonna kill me. Literally. If I'm not back in a few, know that. Guys, the record can't switch on. What's wrong?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, but then you think I don't play that
Are you ready?
Happy New Year, you guys. As you can see, I'm waiting in tower. I'm going to bed. So I'll talk to you when I wake up in the morning. Happy New Year. We'll talk when I wake up. There's a lot to talk about, like, resolution and shit. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so let's chat. I got my dango wings. And I am mad. The dango sauce is fluky. I am so mad because it's chow. Anyways, so let's chat 2021, 2022. By the way, it's my birthday month. I know this month, it's my birthday. Your boy is growing, child. So let's chat 2021. Let's get deep for a moment. So 2021, 2020, mid 2020, I went through something. Like I lost myself, like, for the first time. Anyway, and so I lost myself, and then beginning of 2020, like February, I found myself smiling again and shit. Cause we all go through shit at some point. And then May, I lost my grandfather, and then I lost myself again. I haven't been the same ever since. But I'm here, child. We're smiling. We're going to 2022. We went into 2022 with good vibes. I went into 2022 with my friends. I was vibing. So, what did I learn in 2021? When I have friends like that, the amount of friends I lost New and old ones. Shit. Aye. 2021 was a lesson learned. Hey! Mojolo. Forget about Mojolo. Dude, your friends will nissa you. Ever cried because of a friend? Like, not a girlfriend, not a boyfriend, a friend. Aye, no, man. My friends got into one of my new seats. My new seats, yeah. And I'm not mad about it. Like, they taught me a very important lesson. My expectations are there. Pansy. When I get into a new friendship, my expectations are pansy, like, legit. Because these friends are digging us with Mujola, guys. Oh no, how about how blue? Let's start about blue. They're digging us. Bad dick. So 2021 is in the past. We'll close that awful chapter. We're moving on to bigger and better things. We're on 2022. What do I want to achieve? I want to lose weight. Okay, I know it's odd that I'm saying that, but yeah, I want to lose weight. That has been my New Year resolutions for the past 3 years. But this year, I'm making it happen. Even if I lose 5 kg, still losing weight. But if you think my losing weight journey will involve not eating meat, like junk food, fast food, I'd rather be fat. I can't stop eating beef. So, my other let's do this one. This year, come Saturn, come what or May, I am doing it, and I am ticking it off. I am getting my fucking license. Like, I am getting my fucking license. No cap. I'm getting my license. Because me do the petrol do the whole moves come. I'm in my license. Yeah. My third New Year resolution is to finish my vision board. Once it's done, I'll show you guys. I'm working on my vision board. I want to make it absolutely beautiful. So once it's done, I'll show you guys how it looks, what it's about. You guys can see. Vision boards are important. You're planning your future. And then my other New Year resolution. New Year's Day. Excuse me, bonja. Woo! That's spicy. Don't go in. The other New Year resolution is to end 2022 still a version. The goal is to reach 2021 happening. To reach 21 years a version. Come on, that's the goal. That's the goal. Currently, can I live virgin? I'm a live virgin. How do you mean? Go argue amongst yourself. I got another graphic talos. At 2022, we don't have time to explain rumors or justify them. We don't care. I'm a live virgin. So yeah. What do I look forward to in 2022? New friends, new vibe, happiness. I want to genuinely be happy. Like, I want to be happy. You know, I want to be happy. Like, genuine. I didn't want to be him. So that. And hey guys, since game is the result, I make semester 2 game. Oh, I'm just confirmed. Okay. So I think I should end this year because I need to devour this. Look how huge this is. I need to get back to menu. That is for today's video, guys. Ke la rata gore like happy New Year. Happy New Year. Don't go in there. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next upload. I love you guys. Follow my social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, and all the likes. I love you so much. Oh, ciao. Spicy. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next upload. Peace.